How to create a resume using Google Docs templates. First of all, open the Google Docs app and go to the main screen. Next, tap the plus button at the bottom right corner and select Choose Template. In the template section, you will see several resume templates under the CV category. Google Docs offers a variety of professionally designed resume options to choose from. Tap on the resume template you like to open it. Now, start customizing the template by replacing the placeholder text with your personal information such as your name, contact details, work experience, education, and skills. Make sure to review each section and adjust the formatting if needed to match your style or preferences. Once your resume is ready, tap the three dots in the top right corner to download or share your resume as a PDF or Word file. And that's it. Now you know how to create a resume using Google Docs templates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.